Hey everyone, welcome back to the Photog experience. If you saw the video before this, you saw me unbox my beautiful new Apple Watch Series 10. Um, I have it on right now. Um, so if you're into techie things and into unboxing, I definitely highly recommend you check out that unboxing video. I asked on my Facebook and Instagram and things like that. I sent a photo out and then I asked for everybody to guess what my new packages were. So this was one of them. And the next one, the one I'm really, really excited about. Did anybody guess it? I saw a few on Facebook sort of guess at it. One hit the nail right on the head. So let me just open it just to show you what's in this box. Are you ready? I don't know if I'm ready. I'm ready. The iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm so excited about this. One, because I love new tech. I love getting new equipment. I love getting new toys. But I also love getting new things that will help me create content and content easier. And so this is going to do that. Um, insane. This is Sunday. iPhone release date was on Friday, September 20th. And I got it on Friday because I pre ordered it. Um, but in my small little town of Virginia slash Tennessee, I live on the border, it is race weekend. And so my job is a big sponsor of that race. And so I was there all weekend and I wanted to, one, do this unboxing, two, really take the time to appreciate this. And so I've waited 2 days with this just sitting in my house in the box. But let's unbox this. I'm excited. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go. iPhone. Now it has two fully tabs on the back. I'm excited about this. Before we get into this, let's put this off to the side. It comes with the corded cable, which I really like these. I really like the quality, um, and they seem to last forever. Also, one really cool thing I'm very excited about with this new phone, USB-C. I think that's going to be a game changer because most of my electronics already are USB-C. Ooh, come on. Got your typical information of your phone. Tells you no longer have to have a physical SIM card. Not much, but that is it. There's no brick, there's no headphones, there's none of that anymore. Like back in the old days. Just the bare essentials. Move that off to the side. And what's really cool is on this little protective coating, it tells you where each button is. So the silence, up button, down button, power button, and the infamous capture button. I can already tell, I got the black version, that it will have issues with fingerprints. Oh, maybe not. But I did get a case, and typically I'm not a huge um, screen protector person. I hate that they bubble, but the technology here lately has been great. So I'm going to try the screen protector. Let me bring this up to the mic so you can hear it. And there you have it. You can see my lights in the reflection. The brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max.